Vasa here from Tunex Audio, Auckland, New Zealand. This video is for a stage 5 build that we just finished doing on a '09 Road Glide. So a very special client of mine had a lot of his cars and bikes and vans done off me. This time he picked up this '09 Road Glide, came and see me at the shop. We gave him a demo of the stage 3 and I told him as how I've got my training done from NBS Audio in United States. He told me that I should do the stage 5 on his bike. I was like, that wouldn't be a problem since I've been trained on doing those bikes and upgrading up to like stage 5, stage 4s. He brought in his existing bags to me. It already had audio done on by some other shop. They put in car speakers, 6x9s on it. It was a dual 6x9 lid. It had water inside of the bag. It was leaking through. The equipment was all damaged. So I explained it to him that we won't be able to reuse these bags and he will have to get newer bags. He brought me some old used but original Harley bags. We fixed it. There was tether mounts broken on it. We repaired the bags. We repaired the locking mechanism of the bags. We added the cutout lids on it, 6x9s. Afterwards, we did the bracing, the mounts, the fiberglassing, the cutouts for the tins on the side. Also, he requested to change the front speakers and he really liked the way 8-inch pods look like on these bikes. So I was able to get those in for him, install it on the bike. I told him not to get the inner fairing painted because it should have been done with the afterwards when the pods have been added. So we've just finished in the stage 5 build. Cicada FLX 1400.4P DSP built-in amplifier, 1400 watts. Cicada CHs, 8-inch. So this bike originally came with 5 1/4. We painted the full fairing with gloss black. It turned out really nice. We had these Tunex 8-inch grills, Hicks grills, painted that as well. Did a SoundStream reserve hitting it with Apple CarPlay. Of course, you can see all of the wiring, super tidy. So this is a brand new Soundigital Evo XP line amplifier. This is the top of the line Soundigital amplifier. It's a 3000 watt mono. So that's running our 10-inch MidBass drivers. Of course, we did all waterproof grommets and quick disconnects to remove the saddlebags. We also did 6x9s on the top with the cutout. We also painted the cutout grill matching to the fairing, all gloss back. Of course, we did that all for the client. He requested us to do it all. And we also did a bass knob. So it's one of the loudest bikes we've ever done. And check it out, guys. It's bassy, it's clear. If you see it running past on the road, it's something you would definitely look towards and turn your head. It's one of the nicest bikes builds we've ever done. And if you guys want a stage 5 done to your bike, whether it's a road glide, street glide, road king, anything with bags on. Even if it doesn't have bags on, we can add bags to the bikes and put subs, put speakers, put DSP, amplifier, waterproof speakers, tune it, make it sound nice.
Just on a witness on the clean on your pillar. You better watch your back before she turn into a killer. Just review the situation that you call the winner. To be a true player, you have to know how to play. If she say a night, come get her say a thing. Never admit to a word where she say. And if she claim her, you tell her, baby, no way.
When she got me on the counter, wasn't me. Saw me banging on the sofa, wasn't me. I even had her in the shower, wasn't me. She even got me on camera, wasn't me. She saw the marks on my shoulder, wasn't me. Heard the words that I told her, wasn't me. Heard the screams getting louder, wasn't me. She said that it was over. Finally came in and she saw me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom door. I had tried to keep her from what she was about to see. I said she believed me when I told her it wasn't me.
And she knows that she really not a right for vex. I never used to see her make the jigger low flex. As somebody else in favor you.
My homeboys will get you, pay you on the 33rd. 2 pints of lean that have me slurring on my words. Undertaker car, triple black, drop bird. Stomach full of money, so hundreds I'ma burn. All the hoods love us like the 15th in the bird.
Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the present. Don't need the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking up on the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy. So and them franchise boys, sipping it hard in the Moscow tour. Returning hands, returning hands. She wanna kick it in my pimped out Chevrolet. 28s with the candy bag, steady gripping while I'm dipping on the interstate. She can't wait. I tap back in my beat down low. Round around the city, I don't know where to go. As I pull up on the strip and turn a couple heads. Turn a couple heads.
6'9" Chevy, convert, two-door. Don't. Who we run with, nigga? Who knows? You know who I'm round with, nigga? 2 hoes. My girl got a girlfriend. Yeah, I do know. I do know. 28's on the wet dirt. When I hit the block, I turn heads like they.
28s with the candy bag, steady gripping while I'm dipping on the interstate. She can't